Right guys, this is LRC19, our ink and stain remover. It's a solvent-based product, perfect for removing all types of stains that have got on your leather, or for removing ink and things like that. So I mean, obviously we're going to show you today a demonstration about how we're going to remove the ink and stain on the surface of the leather. Obviously, screw cap, unscrew, and inside is a plug. You just literally pull the plug out. If you push it right in fully, some people do put like a hole in the top here and then just squeeze small amounts out. You can do it that way if you wanted, but for the purpose of this, we're just going to take the plug out. And we're going to need some cotton buds, because for ink you need to sort of like draw it along the ink like this, obviously with the solution on, to remove the ink. For bigger stains and things, you can use like lint-free cloth to do that. So first of all, let's get a little bit of ink and stain on here, and on here we've got some ink stains, and we're going to draw that along over it like so. And it literally is, you can see there where it's pulled the ink out, and that's what you've got to do. Obviously it depends how long the ink has been on the surface as to how effective and how quick it's going to remove it. You might find that it takes several goes over it to do it, but theoretically you should be able to just go over the ink and stain like so and remove it. We can see we've got some left in here, so again we can get like a small amount onto here. What you don't want to do is to scrub really vigorously. You're just very, very lightly going over the surface, because the ink is going to sit on the surface. Obviously the longer it's left on the surface, the more chances it's got of soaking into the leather colorant and through the lacquer and into the leather pigment paint that's on there. So I mean, that's what you want to try to avoid, is to remove that as quick as you possibly can. So I mean, that's all you've got to do, just to remove the ink stain. Once that's removed, you would just protect that over with the Leather Repair Company leather protection cream. So that just gives you a very quick demonstration of LRC19 ink and stain remover, and how effective it is on removing ink stains from your leather surface. It will work on pigmented leather. On things like aniline, you have to just be a little bit more careful, because obviously the aniline is absorbent, so you've got to, I would use the cloth rather than the cotton bud, and very, very gently rub it over the surface on the aniline leather. But it works on all sorts of fake leathers, faux leathers, that sort of thing, vegan leathers. Don't know why they call it vegan leather, but it should just be vegan material. But it works on everything you can think of, including, as I say, the pigments, two-tones and all that sort of stuff. With your two-tones, just be very, very careful, because the two-tone is a very, very light coating over the top to create that two-tone effect. LRC19, leather ink and stain remover.